Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of investing for beginners. Today, we'll discuss how you can make millions from stocks and achieve financial freedom. Investing in stocks is a crucial step towards securing your financial future. You can grow your wealth significantly over time by putting your money into the stock market. Whether saving for retirement, a new home, or simply looking to build wealth, investing in stocks can help you reach your financial goals faster than traditional savings accounts. Imagine the potential of turning a small investment into millions through strategic stock picks and smart decision-making. The stock market offers endless opportunities for growth and success, and we're here to guide you through the process. If you've ever wondered how people make millions from stocks or are curious about the secrets to stock market success, then you're in the right place. Get ready to learn how you can make your money work for you and unlock the potential of the stock market. To understand basics of the stock market, it's essential to grasp the fundamental concepts of the stock market. Stocks represent ownership in a company, giving investors a stake in its profits and losses. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and have the potential to benefit from the company's growth. Stock exchanges serve as platforms for buyers and sellers to trade stocks. These exchanges facilitate the buying and selling of stocks, ensuring transparency and liquidity in the market. Understanding how trading occurs on these exchanges is crucial for navigating the stock market effectively. Key terms like dividends, market capitalization, and stock price play a significant role in stock market investing. Dividends are payments made by companies to shareholders as a share of their profits. Market capitalization refers to the total value of a company's outstanding shares, while stock price reflects the current market value of a single share. Mastering these concepts will empower you to make informed investment decisions and confidently navigate the stock market. Building a strong investment portfolio. Constructing a diversified and profitable investment portfolio is key to achieving long-term financial success. Diversification is crucial as it helps spread risk across different assets, reducing the impact of market fluctuations on your overall portfolio. Investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets can minimize the potential for significant losses while maximizing potential returns. When it comes to stocks, there are different types to consider for your portfolio. Growth stocks are companies expected to grow faster than the market average, offering the potential for substantial capital appreciation. Value stocks, on the other hand, are undervalued by the market and can provide opportunities for long-term growth as their true value is recognized. Income stocks, or dividend stocks, pay regular dividends to shareholders, providing a steady income stream. Selecting promising stocks for long-term growth involves thorough research and analysis. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, a competitive industry advantage, and a consistent growth history. By carefully choosing a mix of growth, value, and income stocks, you can build a well-rounded portfolio that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Strategies for successful stock investing. Making millions from stocks requires a strategic approach and a solid understanding of the market. Before diving into any investment, conducting thorough research and analysis is crucial. By studying a company's financial health, industry trends, and market conditions, you can make informed decisions that increase your chances of success. 3 key strategies to consider for successful stock investing are buy and hold, dollar cost averaging, and value investing. Buy and hold involves purchasing quality stocks and holding on to them long-term, allowing your investments to grow over time. Dollar cost averaging entails investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations, to reduce the impact of volatility on your portfolio. Value investing focuses on identifying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals and holding them until the market recognizes their true value. Patience and discipline are essential traits for stock market success. It's important to stay focused on your long-term goals, avoid emotional decision-making, and stick to your investment strategy even during market fluctuations. Following these strategies and maintaining a disciplined approach can increase your chances of making millions from stocks and achieving financial prosperity. Risk management and contingency planning. When it comes to investing in the stock market, managing risks and preparing for uncertainties are essential for long-term success. Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial as it helps determine how much volatility you can handle in your investments. Setting stop-loss orders can help limit potential losses by automatically selling a stock when it reaches a predetermined price, protecting your investment from significant downturns. Emergency funds play a vital role in risk management, providing a financial cushion in case of unexpected expenses or market downturns. Diversification, or spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries, can help reduce the impact of market fluctuations on your portfolio. During times of market volatility, it's important to stay calm and avoid making impulsive decisions. Maintaining a long-term perspective and focusing on your investment goals can help you ride out market fluctuations and stay on track toward financial success. By incorporating risk management strategies and contingency planning into your investment approach, you can navigate market uncertainties with confidence and resilience. Tracking performance and making informed decisions. Monitoring your investments and making strategic decisions are essential aspects of successful stock market investing. Utilizing tools for tracking stock performance and portfolio analysis can help you stay informed about your investment's performance and identify areas for improvement. Whether you use online platforms, investment apps, or spreadsheets, having a system in place to track your investments can provide valuable insights into your portfolio's performance. Staying informed about market trends and news is crucial for making informed decisions. You can better understand the factors influencing stock prices and make strategic investment choices by keeping up to date with economic indicators, company earnings reports, and industry developments. Knowing when to buy, sell, or hold stocks requires a combination of analysis and goal setting. When making decisions about your portfolio, consider factors such as valuation, market conditions, and your investment objectives. You can make informed decisions that support your long-term investment success by conducting thorough research, staying informed, and aligning your actions with your goals. As we wrap up our discussion on investing for beginners and how to make millions from stocks, let's recap the key points we've covered. Investing in stocks offers the potential for significant financial growth and can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. By diversifying your portfolio, conducting research, and making strategic decisions, you can increase your chances of success in the stock market. Continuous learning and strategic decision-making are essential for navigating the complexities of the stock market and maximizing your investment returns. Stay informed about market trends, monitor your portfolio performance, and be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions to stay ahead of the curve. We hope this video has inspired you to take action and start your journey towards financial prosperity through stock market investing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from our investing tips. Stay tuned for more valuable content to help you on your journey to financial success. Thank you for watching.